During April 2015, Nepal went through a devastating earthquake of 7.8 Richter scale magnitude, killing more than 9,000 people, leaving 22,000 wounded, and damaged 800,000 houses and school buildings. And now, Turkey and Syria are facing the same problem. More than 37,000 people were found dead till now, and numbers are still counting. In this time of great sorrow, people from all over the world are helping the victims of Turkey and Syria to rise again. To help this, QOGLR Nitan and his team are organizing a Doko charity race, which is famous race to become the Gurkha soldier. We urge everyone to help us by donating whatever amount you can. With your small contribution, we can help those victims to move forward in this critical situation. Your small help and support may change their life.
Hello everyone, me and my team, we are running a 5K Doko charity race, helping the victim of earthquake in Turkey and Syria. On the past, you guys were with us, and now
we are with you.